Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about talazoline. Okay, what is this talazoline? Talazoline is actually a vasodilator, okay, which is an alpha blocker and it is a vasodilator. So it is used in treating coronary artery stenosis during angio procedures. So it can also be used in the treatment of persistent pulmonary hypertension in newborn. If arterial oxygenation is not maintained by oxygen. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.